Where are we going? Room tour. Where are we going? Room tour. Where are we going? Room tour. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So today we're gonna do a room tour of the Hilton RoseHall Resort, right? So this is the hallway, as you can see. That's a beautiful long stretch right there, and that is my room. Okay, so this is the entrance, guys. I hope this audio is clear. So they have that evacuation thing that nobody reads. Let me lock the door because nobody come in for me. Here's where you put this one. This is the key receiver from the outside. You put it in. Well, when you're on the outside of the door, you push the key in and it recognizes the key, scans the key, and the door opens. But from the inside, you do not use that card that you get at the front desk. Yeah, you just turn the knob. You lock? Yeah, I think so. Alrighty, so moving right along, up there looks like a sprinkler system. Looks very antiquated and ancient. I doubt it. Why works. You said that? I was checking to see where that bulb switch is. Probably it's this. Okay, there we go. I thought it didn't work. So for when you spend 2 weeks, 3 weeks, what do you do closets? When I do closets, I'm gonna spend long. I'm not sure I have an iron because I have some hot clothes. Yes, girl, I have an iron. Probably if you want to hide a body in here, you can hide a body in here. You know, if you want to commit a crime in the night and set right. No, sir. But you can't follow me. Huh? Alright, so this is the bathroom. I was in here a few moments ago venting. This is the sink. As you can see, the counter is looking quite modern style. I think it's some type of granite or whatever. And you have so both of them are cold water. I don't know. Probably want a cold water or want a colder water. I don't know. And you have the towels neatly folded over there. OCD. OCD. Yes. And you have your little something for when you get lonely. I have to open it, you know. For when you get lonely, you want to ball and say, oh God, you left me by myself in the hotel by myself. Yeah, so over here we have shampoo for wash your dirty head, wash out the nasty dandruff, conditioner, give a little moisture to make your hair dry and broke off, like razor bee back. You have your facial soap. So I only have one soap. I want somebody them expect to use. I told somebody they expect to use one soap. That's nasty. I'm not sharing no soap with nobody. I call my father, girl. You have a body lotion. So for body so small. Tell me now. Look how girl body big. And this little lotion, bro. But at least I have antibacterial gel. That's 75%. Oh, sorry. Edible alcohol. So let me say I can eat. I can eat it. Yeah, so when we get hungry tonight, probably I can eat some of that. Over here is the toilet. I just peed, So when you come in here, it's actually closed like that. I opened it, and it says sanitizado, sanitized. It's a simple flush toilets, and you have a basic, very basic, extremely basic shower. I'm underwhelmed. Please excuse me. You have a little, wait, of a style? Okay, never mind. Have an under cabinet thingy opening section. You have your blow dryer. I hope it works. And one towel. Wait, so much towel. 2 towel, 3 towel. I hope I get more towel tomorrow, because I'm gonna be staying for 2 days. And I want to turn down the AC, or turn up. I don't want to freeze to death. Okay, so probably I moved too fast. Sorry. Turn on the light here. But this one girl turn on the light here now. Okay. This is why you watch videos before you come to hotel and come ask 100 million questions at front desk, and when people can't get through, sir and sir. Sure. Watch the video before you come to people hotel, man. I learn about something them first. This is my mask. It did not come with the room, so I just turned on the lamps. It says no smoking. If you choose to smoke, you will be charged a $250 cleaning fee. Thank you for not smoking. Public service announcements. Place dust your fart. Could dust, man? I must do him that thing, but when I say man, I dust. Okay, so my view is underwhelming. I don't think you guys want to see it, but I'm going to go out there anyways. Alright, let me figure out how to open this. Alright, before I go outside, let me show you the mini fridge. Have a safe right here, so if stock money when I don't have. Okay. I have beer, Minute Maid, water, Coke for the Coke head them. You have your remote. I feel light. I think you probably need battery. You're going to get battery for that. And you get wipes. How come this is not edible too? I'm surprised it's not edible. So I'm just show me something I'm over here, so. Because the bag heavy. Might tell you the bag heavy, you know? I carry my laptop because I have to do one piece of schoolwork. Yes, I'm at a hotel, guys, and my schoolwork isn't finished. Life have to live. You understand? So my underwhelming view now. There we go. Why does everything here so complicated? Okay. Okay. So stressed. Merciful Father. Now look at myself, you know. So I'm thinking, suppose I jump over this glass-like thing. What will happen? I feel like I can jump over it, you know, and just like taking the view over there. So could have a little nice party up here, up on the roof. And some freaky sex or something. Nothing's gonna happen, my person. But I think the best rooms are over that side. Over there. But you can see the sea a little bit. A little bit, but it's not really cute. The view not cute, but I'm not surprised. Anyways. Coco.